For today, let's look at this question regarding limits. So we are asked to compare the value of a, b, and c. Of course, we make an assumption that limit of each of the cases exists. So note that it is all about the limit of the same function, that is x to the power of 1 over natural log square root of x. For a, the limit is when x tends to 0 plus, b is the limit when x tends to 1, and c is the limit when x tends to infinity. So if you look at it, for a, it is a form that it is 0 to the power of 1 over log square of 0. So it is very close to log 0, that is a negative infinity. So it is of the form 0 to the power of 0. And for b, it is of the form 1 to the power of infinity. And for c, it is of the form of infinity to the power of 0. Each of these cases is indeterminate form. Do you think that a is bigger than b, or b is bigger than a, or they are actually the same? And you also want to compare with c. Please have a good try before you look at the answer.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
If we look at this question closely, actually it's nothing to do with the limit. We just need to focus on the function itself. So if you look at x to the power of 1 over log square root of x, this is actually equals to x to the power of 1 over log x to the power half, and using the property of log, this is 1 over half log x. And we know that this half is actually a 2 here. And therefore, this is x to the power of log e squared over log x. Let us recall the property of log, that we have log AB equals to log A over log B over log A with the same base called C. So with this property, then this is actually equals to log x to the power of E squared. And we also need to recall that A log AB is actually equals to B. Now A is equal to x and B equals to E squared. So which means that this is always E squared. Of course, all of these with the condition x must be positive and not equals to 1. Otherwise, the function is undefined. X has to be positive and x is not equals to 1. So now we know that for this function, it is actually a constant function where it is more than 1, it is more than 0 and not equals to 1, and the value is always equals to E squared. E squared, so it will be from here to here and all the way. The value for A, B, C, they are all the same and they are all equal to E squared. Please let me know your comment if any. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.